Hello everyone, I'm Rudraksh and welcome to my channel JMB Classes. So today I'm gonna discuss important questions for the chapter 7, which is Light, Shadows and Reflections for NSO Olympiad class 6. So let's start. So our first question is, the diagram shows an object O viewed using two mirrors. A person looks into the mirrors as shown. At which position is the image of O seen? Options are option A, option B, option C, and option D. So the correct answer for your question number first is the point D, which is option number D. So our next question number 2 is, which of the following are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror? Properties are, the image is at the same distance as the object, the image is upright, the image is laterally inverted, and the options are 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 2 and 3 only, and 1, 2 and 3 only. So the correct answer for your question number second is option number D, which is 1, 2 and 3, because like this is a plane mirror and this is the object. So in a plane mirror, the distance of object is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror, which means that this distance would be equal to this distance. Second is, the image is upright. Yes, the image formed is upright. The image formed by a plane mirror is, as we know, that it forms a virtual and an erect image or an upright image. So second part is also correct. And third is that image is laterally inverted. It is also correct because a plane mirror in a plane mirror, right appears to be left and left appears to be right. Correct answer is your option number D. Next question is question number third, which is, which of the following explains why air is not visible? Options are, it is nearly a perfect transparent substance, it neither absorbs or reflects light, it transmits whole of light, या फिर all of these. So the correct answer for your question number third is option number B, it neither absorbs nor reflects the light. Yes, it's true, because as we know that we are able to see an object, because let's assume that this is an object. So when light falls on the object, it on an opaque object or any object, it falls on the object and bounce back, which helps us to see the object. So this is our eye, and when light falls on an object, it bounces back and we are able to identify the object. But as the air neither absorbs nor it reflects the light, so that's the reason why air is not visible. This is why correct answer for your question number third is your option number B. Next question number fourth is, a girl is 4 meters away from the plane mirror. If she moves few steps closer to the mirror, what will happen to the size of image in the mirror? So let's read the question carefully. They are saying that girl is 4 meters away from the plane mirror. They are saying that the girl is away from the plane mirror. So this is your plane mirror, and they are giving the situation that if she moves few steps closer to the mirror, and they are asking that what would happen to the size of the image. So let's read the options. The size of image will decrease, size of image will increase, the size of image will be same, and cannot say. So as you have read in the question that the mirror is the plane mirror, and we know that the size of an object or the image is same in the plane mirror. So that's why correct answer for your question number fourth is option number C, which says that the size of image will be the same. Next question is a question number fifth, which says that a plane mirror reflects a pencil of light to form a real image. Then the pencil of light incident on the mirror is, options are parallel, convergent, divergent, and None of these. So the correct answer for your question number 5th is option number B, which is your convergent mirror. As we know that the real image is formed by your concave mirror. Concave mirror forms the real image, and we also know that the concave mirror is also known as the convergent mirror because it converges the light at one point. Plane mirror converges the light at one point, that's why it is known as the convergent mirror. That's why correct answer for your question number 5th is option number B. Next question is question number 6. Study the setup below. This is a torch, book, ring and screen. How will the shadow look like? Like this, like this, like this, or like this? So the correct answer for your question number 6 is your option number C. The shadow would look like this because the book, which is an opaque object, is obstructing the path of light. It's obstructing the path of light, and this is why a black shadow is formed on the screen behind. This is the reason why a full black shadow is formed on the screen behind. That's why the correct answer for your question number 6 is option number C. Next is, there is no dark shadow formed by the glass when light is shown on it. This is because, let's see the option. It is not night time yet. The light is not strong enough. The glass is a transparent object. And last, the distance between glass and screen is very large. So the correct answer for question number 7th is option number C, because as we know that the glass is a transparent object and a shadow to be formed, and the main thing for a shadow to be formed is that there should be an opaque object which should obstruct the path of the light. But as we know that glass is not an opaque object, it is a transparent object, so it allows the light to pass through it. Next question is question number 8. Which of the following statements is true? The image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted because light travels in a straight line. Light does not change its direction on reflection. As we move the object away from the light source, the shadow of the object becomes smaller. Reflection is possible only from polished surface. So the correct answer for your question number 8 is option number A, which says that the image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted because light travels in a straight line. Next question, question number 9 is fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option. So let's read the paragraph. Although a number of objects such as kites, birds, aeroplanes move in space, but their shadow is not seen on the earth. This is due to the reason that the first blank, the region of complete second blank, is not able to reach the earth. The region of partial third blank, that is the dash reaching the earth, is too large and too faint to be visible to us. So the correct answer for your question number 9 is option number C, which is umbra, darkness, brightness and penumbra, which means that umbra is the right answer for first blank, darkness is for second, brightness is for third and penumbra is for the fourth. So correct answer for question number 9 is option number C. Next question, question number 10 is which of the items above will allow you to see around a corner from where you are standing? So the correct answer for your question number, let's see the options. 1 only, third only, 1 and 2 only and 1 and third only. Correct answer for your question number 10th is option B, which is third only. As we can see in the third, we can see that the third option is the periscope, and we know that periscope has two mirrors which are placed at some angle so that we can see the object. For example, an object is placed here, its image would be formed on this mirror and the image of this mirror would be formed on this mirror. So that's and this is how the viewer would be able to see the object placed here by seeing it through this hole. Correct answer for your question number 10th is your option number B. Next question, question number 11th is, you are standing upright in a room in front of a vertical mirror. In this mirror, you can see from your position only the upper two-third part of your body. You wish to see the full image of your body in the mirror. Which combination of the following three courses of action will achieve this? Move away from the mirror, move towards the mirror, use a mirror whose height will allow you to see your full image. So the correct answer for question number 11th is option C, which is third only. This is because to see the entire length of your body reflected in the mirror, you should use a mirror whose height will allow you to see your full image. Next is the mirror image of transparent will be the correct answer for your 12th is option C, which is this part. Next is your question number 13, which is Vijay puts some water in 4 cups made of steel, porcelain, glass, frosted glass respectively. Which one of these cups will allow him to see the level of water clearly? Glass cup, steel cup, porcelain cup, frosted glass cup. So the correct answer for your question number 13th is option number A, because this is an transparent material, whereas steel cup and porcelain cups are opaque and the frosted glass cup is an translucent material. Next is question number 14. 3 sticks are placed in an open field as shown in figure. Which of the following sticks will form the shadow of equal length? These are the 3 sticks. Let's see the options. Sticks 1 and 2 only, sticks 2 and 3 only, sticks 1 and 3 only, and all sticks 1, 2 and 3. So correct answer for your question number 14th is option number C, which is sticks 1 and 3 only. Next is your question number 15, which is Nisha placed a stick vertically in the playground at 8:15 a.m. in the morning. How will the shadow of the stick at the 12 noon be in comparison to the one at 8:15 a.m.? It will be shorter than one at 8:15 a.m. It will be same as the one at 8:15 a.m. It will be greater than one at the 8:15 a.m. and shadow will not form at 12 noon. So correct answer for your question number 15th is that option A. This is because at the time at 8:15 the position of the sun is slanting. So when the sun is slanting rays or the slanting sunlight falls on the object, which forms a much longer shadow. But whereas in the 12 noon the sun is vertically upwards, so when sunlight falls on an object from vertically upwards, it forms a smaller or shorter shadow. So that's why correct answer for your question number 15th is option number A. Next question is your question number 16. Now this is the achievers section or the hot section. Let's read the question number 16, which says, look at the Venn diagram. Which of the following objects described below are most likely to be 1, 2 and likely to be 1, 2 and 3. Choose the correct option. So this is the Venn diagram. Options are option A, oil paper, AL, cellophane paper, option B, glass, frosted glass, wood, option C, wax paper, clean water, diamond, and option D, mirror, diamond, lamp. So let's solve this question. First is that the object should be transparent. So first let's check or use the method which is known as the elimination method to get the right answer. First is oil paper. No, it's a translucent object. Glass, yes, it's a transparent object. Wax paper, no, it's not transparent, it's translucent. And mirror is an opaque object. So as we can see, for the first part, 3 options are wrong and left one is this option, which is glass, frosted glass and wood. But let's see the other parts. Second is the translucent. Yes, frosted glass is a translucent object. Opaque, yes, wood is also an opaque object. So the correct answer for your question number 16th is option number B. Next is your question number 17th. A solid transparent sphere has a small opaque dot at its center. When observed from outside, the apparent position of the dot will be closer to the eye than its actual position, same as its actual position, farther away from the eye than its actual position, and none of these. Correct answer for your question number 17th is option number B, which is the same as its actual position. Next question is question number 18th, which says that Geeta placed three objects made of different materials as shown in the figure. She observed a bright spot of light at 2 and 3 get any spot but not get any spot at the third part. So then these are the figures and these are the options. Correct answer for your question number 18th is option C, which is that first is made of transparent as no part or no spot was observed. Second is made of an opaque material, and third can either be transparent, opaque or translucent material, because if it would be transparent, no spot would be formed. If it is opaque, then also no spot would be formed, and also third, if it's translucent, then also no spot would be formed. Correct answer for your question number 18th is option C. Next question, question number 19 says that Riya and Priya were sitting around a round table. They noticed that they could see their own and each other's image on the tabletop. The tabletop is made of unpolished wood covered with white cloth, polished glass of red color, glass covered with cellophane paper, smoked glass covered with green color cloth. Correct answer for your question number 19th is option B, which is that it is a polished glass of red color which acts as a mirror, and hence Riya and Priya are able to see their image on the tabletop. Correct answer for 19th is option number B. Next question, question number 20th is read the given statement and select the correct option. Let's read the statement. Statement 1. Rahul placed a colored plastic bottle in front of the beam of a torchlight. Then he placed a transparent sheet of same size on the other side of bottle. No shadow will form on the screen. And statement 2 is translucent objects allow light to pass through them partially. So as we can see, the statement 2 is correct. So correct answer for question number 20th is option number D, because the statement 1 is false, but whereas the statement 2 is true. Correct answer for question number 20th is option number D. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my further videos. Thank you.